my heart is full of gratitude. Thank you for the trust you have placed on me. Being chosen to serve as your Deputy Speaker, uncontested, is a profound honor. My journey to this August House began from my hometown of Khublei, with meaningful stops in Tura and Shillong. Along the way, I have learned that the true leadership is not about holding power, but about serving people with humility and integrity. I pledge to bring those lessons into this house, into this role every single day. To the citizens of Khublei, I owe everything. Your support is the foundation of my service. I also extend my sincere gratitude, thanks to my party, the National People's Party, and to our visionary Chief Minister for his unwavering guidance. To each of my colleagues in this August House, I express my deep appreciation for the confidence and encouragement you have shown on me. I wish to place on record my respect to the outgoing Deputy Speaker for his commendable service. To our esteemed Speaker, Sir, I look forward to working alongside with you to ensure that this Assembly functions with efficiency, dignity, and fairness. The position is not about standing on one side or the other. It is about standing firmly on the side of the justice and fairness. I will ensure that every member, whether from the government or the opposition, has an equal opportunity to be heard their voices, and that our debates remain respectful, constructive, and dedicated to the well-being of our people. Every voice matters, and I'll be here to amplify it. Our beloved state has a proud history of leadership, enriched by the contributions of the Kashis, the Jantis, and the Garos. Let us continue this tradition through meaningful dialogue, collaboration, and with mutual respect. Together, let us make this house a true reflection of our democratic ideals, a place where every citizen feels represented and every voice carries weight. Thank you. Khublei shibun, Tela.